state. Now with a strong VOTEC program that's ever stronger. Now with Northwestern with its branch here providing more higher education opportunities. This community has really looked to the future, invested in the future, invested in your quality of life. You know, in many ways, when we think about the times that we're living in today, these are both the best of times and the worst of times. For me at the University of Oklahoma this year, in many ways, is the best of times. It's an exciting time. It keeps me really moving. I teach a class every single semester. I've done that now for 32 straight semesters ever since I came back home to go to the university. And that is really something. This year, for example, OU for a number of years has led the nation at National Merit Scholars per capita. Now, of public universities, now we're leading without putting that per capita on it. We passed, I'm sorry to tell you, the University of Texas, even in absolute numbers, even though they have 14,000 freshmen and we have 3,800.